In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up the Planning Poker app in Monday.com for your project board. First, make sure you're already logged into your Monday.com account and that you have the right permissions to install apps. We'll start directly from your project. Open your project board so you're looking at the main table view where your items and columns are listed. This is the board where you want to use Planning Poker for estimations. From here, we'll head to the Monday.com Apps Marketplace. Look for the Apps or Marketplace option in your top or side navigation, then click into the search field. In that search bar, type in Planning Poker. Give it a moment, and you should see an app called Estimate Time and Effort in a fun way with Planning Poker, sometimes also described as Scrum Poker for agile teams. Click on that app to open its listing page. On the app listing screen, you'll see more details about what it does. To add it to your account, click the Install App button. A confirmation window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Install again to proceed. If your account requires admin approval, you might need someone with admin rights to complete this step. Once the app is installed, you'll choose where to use it. You'll see an option to select a workspace. Open the Workspace drop-down, choose your main workspace, then proceed to choose the specific project board where you want Planning Poker enabled. Confirm your choice, and then click Add App so it attaches to that board. After adding the app, reload your project board so the new Planning Poker view and settings become available. When the board reloads, look for the new app view or any highlighted area related to Planning Poker. You'll be prompted to select a column where estimation values will be stored. Open the column selector, and if you don't already have a suitable column, choose the option to create a new column. Set it up as an average or numeric style column so it can properly store and calculate your estimates. Once the column is created and selected, confirm your account and user settings if prompted, making sure you're using the correct work account and profile. Finally, switch back to your main table view. You'll now see Planning Poker integrated with your project board, ready for your team to start running estimation sessions directly inside Monday.com.